Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a custom progress bar to your videos in Filmora. So if you want to keep your viewers glued to your long video, a custom progress bar is a secret weapon, and here I'm going to show you how you can add the progress bar animations on your videos. So now you can just open Filmora on your phone. Here I'm using a Filmora on mobile. Tap on a project and open the videos that you want to edit. So for example, I'm going to select this video and you can just tap on import. Okay. Now to easily add the progress bar, you can just swipe to the menu in the bottom until you find the progress options. So this is where you can add the progress bar. You can see there are two tabs, mark and also style. You can just choose the style if you want to here. For example, I'm going to go with the second one, and here you can change the color and adjust the size, and here you can change the title of the progress bar. So I'm going to just write progress bar in here. Tap on a check icon, and here you can adjust the position if you want to by dragging it on your videos. So I'm going to put it in here, for example, and then if you want to modify it again, you can click on the progress button again, and here you can also delete it if you don't want to, or you can also change the style to another one. So that's pretty easy. So that's how you can add a custom progress bar to your videos using this feature on Filmora. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the thanks button and also click on the thumbs up and subscribe for more Filmora tutorials and video editing hacks. Don't forget to also share this with any long-form video creator. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!